All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the camera review the way I do it. I just shoot some video in the same spot so you can compare it to other videos that I've done in the past for other phones. And we'll show you what the camera is looking like for rear and front-facing video. Now, this phone is 21:9 for the aspect ratio, the new aspect ratio, which is more of a movie or cinematic look for viewing content, which is absolutely stunning, and I've been enjoying that. And the camera actually shoots 21:9 on both the front and the rear. Now, this is the front camera of this phone when I'm doing the intro for the video. I would say looking at the viewfinder, it's actually doing pretty good, especially in this artificial lighting. I just have one LED going like I always do, my spotlight for doing YouTube videos here in the office. So the phone definitely is performing well so far with the cameras. No problems with it. I've heard that someone said these cameras were bad. I always ignore that and just give you the footage as is, man. So here it is right here, the front camera to intro this video. Now let's take a look at the rear and we'll come back and close out. All right, guys, here's the first video test from the Sony Xperia 10. It is a gloomy day out, I'll admit. This isn't probably the best day to film, but I wanted to shoot in 21:9, and you know, you don't just plan videos on sunny days. You can see the quality. It don't have that pixel water drop, raindrop quality, but still, it's good. Looks a little foggy outside today. So if you see a little haze, it's actually a really foggy day. 21:9, this is the new thing. Let's catch this car. Yeah. So 21:9 is the new hotness that Sony is trying to kick down and get the industry to roll with. I think it might just work. Let's catch this. Look at this. See if I can focus on them. Nope, no focus with 21:9, but here you go. Look at all the different colors. Yeah. All right. Now here is just regular 4K. There is no 60 frames per second on the 4K settings, just the 1080p. Windy day out, folks, so if you have a lot of wind, that's what it is. It's warm out, but it's, you know, just a little rainy out, but it's still nice. Really nice. Nice warm day, but it's cloudy and rainy. I love when the grass is like this. See how it's really green over there? It's beautiful, man. It's the month of March, and we're getting it in. Now here's 1080p at 60 FPS. 1080p at 60 FPS is so nice. It's always really smooth and clear. That's one of my favorite modes to shoot in, is 1080p at 60 FPS or 4K at 60 FPS. This doesn't appear to have any kind of tap to focus. It just focuses on its own, looks like. But if there's a setting I need to update, I'm sure you guys will tell me. That zoom, though, is better than I expected. And remember, it's a foggy, cloudy day out, so this phone is doing pretty good. Now, here is some 1080p, 30 frames per second. My old shaky hands. Focusing time seems a little slow at times, but it gets it done. Yeah, it's really, really hazy out, but look at how sharp that is on the zoom. Wow, that's 5 times zoom. That is sharp. That's looking good, folks. I've heard somebody say that the cameras are bad on here. It's pretty much the people who don't have it and just read the specs. That's the way it is on. That's what I expect of YouTube nowadays, man. I don't have it, but I'm going to tell you that it's horrible before I even get it because somebody else said it. Let's switch gears. All right, guys, so here's 21:9 on the front camera. It got really windy outside, so I decided to just come up and finish the video up here for the front-facing footage. But here's 21:9 on the front-facing camera. You can see the quality of the video, and here we are. All right, guys, here's 1080p, just regular, non-21:9 ratio. And this is the quality of the footage that you'll get from this front camera. I personally think the cameras look pretty decent. All right, so what do you guys think? You think these cameras are worthy? I think for the price point, they're actually doing pretty good. There's no phone out there that I know of right now, so if it is, leave a comment down below. But there's no phones out there that I know of that can shoot 21:9 aspect ratio video, and they obviously can't play it back in the right format because there's no phones out there but the Sony phones at the moment, I believe. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I like this. I like that it's different. And you will see in my 48-hour to 72-hour video, if it's up, it's not up yet at the recording of this video, but I will be putting that out later tomorrow or today. But I will tell you that, yeah, this phone is impressive. The cameras, to me, are well within the range for the price. And I really like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your man, Jay. I will see you in the next one. Take care.